we studied all the different models that went into place before we did this. Other people have done this, okay? But nobody trusts the PBMs that do it, right? Everybody thinks that there's like some sort of a hidden, agenda. And so we looked at all the problems. Number one, a lot of them had spread at the network, okay, which, makes this sort of moot. Okay, number one, right? A lot less straightforward. Number two, they had it bucketed in like 7 different buckets, right? What do you really, if you have it bucketed in 7 buckets, right? Like you're not really giving the same overall simplicity and value in the program, right? So we just did one, overall, very straightforward. And finally, at the end of the deals, right? Like we, share with the client like what the end result was, okay, in terms of how much we retained, et cetera, et cetera. That's a fundamental, like that's honoring the transparency value, right? So it's not, obviously, sometimes we're going to underpredict and we're going to lose money. Sometimes we're going to overpredict and we're going to, make a lot of money on the model. But that's the whole, risk allocation. And when we do the next contract, right, we have to factor that in. That's a fundamental difference. Nobody even has contemplated that. And that's how we honor transparency in an innovative model like this.